Soft light flickers like a fireplace glow while cool mist drifts gently through the air. This is the calm delivered by the Ethereal Ultrasonic Flame Diffuser. Designed to elevate your indoor atmosphere, this diffuser mimics the look of a glowing flame using warm LED lights and ultra-fine nano mist. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil and let the air around you transform. Cleaner, more fragrant, and easier to breathe. When your four-legged companion spends hours alone, boredom can lead to anxiety. That's where Dog's Play steps in, crafted specifically for pets. From streaming calming content to making two-way video calls with their favorite humans, Dog's Play transforms everyday routines into meaningful connections. With Dogflix Entertainment, your dog can unwind with curated shows designed to ease separation anxiety and reduce stress. The two-way video calls let you check in from anywhere with crystal-clear visuals and responsive audio calibrated to canine perception. The POW Audio Mo collapsible magnetic Bluetooth speaker brings impressive sound quality in a compact, versatile design. Featuring a 10-watt output, it delivers crisp, clear audio for various environments, whether indoors or outdoors. The speaker's collapsible design makes it highly portable, allowing you to easily store or carry it while traveling. With a robust 100-foot Bluetooth range, you can move around freely while enjoying uninterrupted music. Capture professional-grade audio in any environment with this sleek wireless lavalier mic system engineered for modern creators. Built to sync effortlessly with iPhone 15 or 16 and USB-C Android devices, this compact powerhouse delivers hi-fi sound without the hassle of tangled wires or complicated setup. Whether you're recording a vlog on the go, streaming live, or capturing interviews, this microphone adapts quickly to your needs. Built for those who move with purpose, the Hockey Link open-ear wireless sports earbuds redefine performance and comfort. Featuring a memory titanium dual-curve design, these earbuds resist deformation, maintaining a secure accessory-compatible fit through intense workouts. IPX5 waterproofing shields them from sweat and rain, making them an all-weather companion. Wrapped in skin-friendly large-area liquid silicone, they deliver breathable comfort with a triangular pressure relief air cushion for enhanced stability. The Charge Card by Aquavolt is a revolutionary portable charger that delivers power when you need it most, all while being small enough to fit in your wallet. Measuring just 3.3 by 2.3 by 0.18 inches and weighing only 2.2 ounces, it's the perfect on-the-go solution for keeping your devices powered. With built-in interchangeable charging cables, it's compatible with all major phones, including Apple and Android devices. In an era where innovation meets lifestyle, this isn't just a coffee table. It's a command center built for modern living. Engineered with precision, this next-generation centerpiece houses an AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS mini PC beneath its sleek, minimalist exterior. A stunning 27-inch HD touchscreen is seamlessly integrated into the tabletop, merging function with visual brilliance. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or managing smart devices, the powerful processor ensures smooth multitasking. Forget cramped screens and bulky setups, Screenio UL5 redefines home cinema in tight spaces. Just inches from the wall, this ultra-short throw projector casts a massive 120-inch image in stunning Full HD. The advanced triple laser light source ensures razor-sharp clarity with HDR10 and Rec 2020 color standards, delivering lifelike visuals right from your tabletop or shelf. Dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make wireless setup a breeze, while its compact frame fits seamlessly into any room. Sometimes life doesn't come with a laundry room. That's where ICTK steps in, not just as another gadget, but as a thoughtful solution to everyday drying needs. For people constantly on the go, sharing small spaces, or lacking permanent housing, ICTK brings flexibility and performance to the forefront. Dryers today are often too big, too loud, and not designed with intelligence. Even portable options on the market are clunky in practice and fail to offer true portability. The ThermoNeck's thermalization. Neck Chiller offers an advanced solution for staying cool and comfortable during intense activities. Designed to support your optimal performance, this 8-hour neck cooler uses cutting-edge dual-temperature systems, ensuring you remain at your peak without the discomfort of cold pain. It operates efficiently by freezing at room temperature, maintaining a constant cooling effect with no moisture accumulating on your skin. Turn up the heat without second-guessing your setup. The No Worries gas timer is a powerful 80,000 BTU auto shutoff gas timer, engineered to prevent gas leaks, flameouts, and overcooking. Designed for propane and natural gas systems, it's the perfect fit for outdoor grills, fire pits, patio heaters, and pizza ovens. Equipped with a reliable 3/8-inch flared assembly connector and hose, this compact safety device blends seamlessly into your setup while adding a critical layer of protection. The Anpool P1 robotic pool skimmer is engineered for seamless pool maintenance with dual charging capabilities, offering both solar and DC power for maximum efficiency. Solar power keeps it running during sunny days, while DC charging ensures it can continue to work even on cloudy days. With over 40 hours of runtime, the Anpool P1 is designed for both in-ground and commercial pools, tackling pool surface cleaning tasks with ease. When reliable internet is non-negotiable, the Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro rises to the occasion. Built for those who demand high-speed connectivity at home, in the office, or on the move, this mobile hotspot delivers next-gen performance powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon X60 5G modem RF system. With blazing 5G millimeter wave speeds reaching up to 8 gigabits per second and Wi-Fi 6E technology, it ensures seamless, low-latency connections for up to 32 devices at once. Elevate your practice sessions with the Full Swing Kit Launch Monitor, designed with machine learning-enhanced radar to deliver supreme accuracy at a fraction of the size and cost of traditional systems. Featuring the most innovative patented radar technology, this compact powerhouse captures 16 critical points of club and ball data. Its compact design fits easily into your golf bag, protected by a durable case, so you're ready wherever your game takes you. Engineered for efficiency in the most demanding environments, the tough-built StackTech drawer toolboxes redefine professional-grade tool storage. The StackTech 1-drawer and 3-drawer toolboxes introduce a new tier of accessibility, featuring a seamless, self-aligning stacking system and an auto-locking interface for true one-handed use. The innovative single-point slide switch allows for fast, secure operation, ideal for fast-paced job sites where every second counts. Efficiency doesn't need to be complicated. TimeFlip2 redefines time management with a physical, intuitive approach that blends tactile simplicity and smart digital features. This polygonal time tracker is more than a gadget. It's a focus-enhancing tool designed to curb distractions and bring clarity to your day. With each flip, you engage in purposeful work, making every minute intentional. Pair TimeFlip2 with its mobile or web app to log billable and non-billable hours automatically. No matter where the road, trail, or water leads, the Fantic X10 Cross stands ready to perform with unmatched versatility and power. Designed to adapt across countless inflation scenarios, this powerful inflator features Fantic's innovative dual pump system. It doesn't just handle car tires, it's perfect for kayaks, inflatable mattresses, sports equipment, and even vacuum storage bags. Whether you're setting up camp or prepping for the drive home, the X10 Cross is your all-in-one inflation solution. Relaxation is within reach with the Conair hands-free soothing massage device, a smart solution for relieving stress. The unique design uses innovative finger technology, mimicking natural hand movements for a deeply effective massage. Whether you're relaxing after a long day or needing a quick break, this massager offers customizable comfort with 3 adjustable speed settings. It can target areas like your neck, shoulders, lower back, and thighs, perfect for easing tension from sitting or standing too long. Experience effortless beach cleanup with the Beach Shower Holder, designed to elevate your post-adventure routine. Built with practicality and ease in mind, this shower holder provides hands-free convenience, making it easier to scrub away sand, dirt, or salt water from your skin and gear. The holder attaches securely to any flat surface using a strong suction mount, ensuring stability even in wet conditions. Simply rotate the dial to lock it in place, and the adjustable nozzle holder ensures the perfect angle for a full-body rinse. In the stillness of a room, it waits, poised not on a base, but a point. This is not an ordinary object. It's a sculptural expression of physics and art in motion. The amazing balancing lamp captures attention by simply existing, motionless yet alert. And when set in motion, it becomes something entirely different. Swivel and stand still on any pivot point. That's its mastery. One gentle flick and it spins gracefully, maintaining dynamic balance while gliding in continuous hypnotic motion for minutes. The Epivo Totem 360 conference camera offers an innovative approach to virtual meetings, transforming the experience with its 360-degree panoramic coverage. This USB-C plug-and-play device is designed to seamlessly integrate with platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, enhancing productivity and communication. The Totem 360 captures every angle of a meeting using 4 lenses stitched together to deliver a human eye view, ensuring no participant is left out of the frame. When your lifestyle demands mobility without compromising entertainment quality, the LG Standby ME Go delivers a premium cinematic experience packed inside a durable, modern briefcase-style design. Built for life on the move, this 27-inch touchscreen is fully enclosed in a rugged shell that opens to reveal a versatile smart display. With a built-in battery that lasts up to 3 hours, it frees you from outlets and messy cables, offering true wireless viewing wherever your day takes you. In a world awash with Pixel 6 screens and dopamine loops, clarity feels like a luxury. But what if the tool you use to read, think, and create could do less harm while helping you do more? The Paper 7 doesn't chase your gaze with glitter. It offers calm. It restores a space where thought, expression, and comfort belong together. This is not another screen. It's a pause in the static. Meet Paper 7, an all-day color paper tablet engineered to prioritize your well-being and creative rhythm. The Granista Professional Grinder elevates your coffee experience with its innovative design, providing a superior grind every time. With a built-in scale, it ensures precise measurements, helping you achieve the perfect cup. The grinder features a 64mm flat burr system that consistently produces uniform grounds, crucial for maximizing flavor extraction. Offering 48 adjustable coarseness levels, it caters to all brewing methods, from espresso to French press. The Zhiyun Molus X100 is a compact powerhouse designed for serious creators. Weighing just 0.85 pounds and boasting a 100-watt maximum output, it provides unmatched versatility for a variety of tasks, from photography to video production. Despite its small size, the X100 delivers professional-grade lighting, ensuring vibrant and consistent results wherever you go. Equipped with a unique live mode, the X100 enables seamless lighting setups, making it perfect for solo operators or fast-paced environments. The Laundry Turtle Collapsible Laundry Basket is a practical and revolutionary solution for handling laundry in your home. With its 26-inch large size, this innovative foldable hamper offers generous space for all your washing needs. Designed to simplify laundry chores, it allows you to easily grab and carry dirty clothes or move them from the washer to the dryer with minimal effort. Crafted for convenience, the laundry turtle collapses down to a compact size when not in use, making it easy to store and saving valuable space. Powering through city streets or rugged paths, the MDT-MINI four-wheel e-scooter transforms your everyday commute into an all-terrain experience. Its dual 500-watt motors are fueled by a 48-volt 30-amp-hour lithium battery, unleashing a peak output of 1440 watt-hours, enough to glide effortlessly across steep inclines or rough terrain. With a cruising range of up to 62 miles, this compact powerhouse eliminates the stress of constant recharging, making it ideal for both short trips and extended adventures. Venturing off the beaten path should be exhilarating, not exhausting. Whether you're hiking steep ridgelines, traversing rocky forest trails, or powering through extended excursions, physical strain can limit the full potential of any adventure. That's where the Densi's X1 steps in, not just as an exosuit, but as a seamless extension of your strength and endurance. With a 1.2 horsepower output, this wearable powerhouse brings smooth, secure assistance for every motion. The Palma 2 stands out with its sleek design and impressive features that cater to a modern user's needs. Equipped with a 6.13-inch HD Carta 1200 glass screen, this device ensures clear and sharp visuals with a resolution of 824 by 1648 and 300 ppi for an exceptional reading experience. The flat cover lens adds a premium touch, protecting the screen without compromising clarity. Set your audio free with the power to transform everyday surfaces into rich, resonant speakers. Godal redefines what portable sound means, packing a full-range vibration speaker into one of the smallest footprints available. Rather than relying on traditional cones or drivers, Godal uses advanced vibration sound transfer technology, channeling sound waves through wood, glass, metal, or plastic to fill your space with immersive 360-degree audio. The HandBoost C1, true wireless ultrasonic cutter for DIY makers, combines precision and versatility in one compact, powerful tool. Featuring ultrasonic technology, it operates at 40,000 vibrations per minute, allowing for clean cuts through various materials. This high-frequency cutter provides true wireless convenience, enabling you to work without the restrictions of cords, making it ideal for mobile or on-the-go tasks. No more huffing and puffing over steaming bowls or scorching sips. This tiny companion handles the cooling for you. Nekojita Fufu brings precision and charm to every meal with a whisper of technology. Slide it onto the rim of your cup or let it perch on your plate's edge, and within 3 minutes, your food or drink cools down to a comfortable temperature. Tested with 158 degrees Fahrenheit water, it performs like a breeze, literally. Its kitten-like paws grip dishware from 0.08 to 0.23 inches thick, adapting easily to mugs, bowls, and even ramen cups. The DJI Flycart 30 redefines what's possible in logistics with its powerful flight capabilities and innovative design. Engineered for demanding tasks, this drone combines heavy payload capacity, long-distance travel, and smart technology for the ultimate aerial transport solution.